how to fix Roblox screen glitch on mobile. So if you want to fix your Roblox screen glitch on your mobile, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, tap on your Play Store and go with search. Under search, you need to search for Roblox. Once you search for the Roblox, and then here you will have the application. So you just need to simply tap on update and update your application. Once you update it, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to search for the Roblox, tap and hold on to your Roblox, go with the app info and tap on storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Now once you've cleared your cache, again go back and then restart your device. After restarting, relaunch your Roblox and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Roblox screen glitch on your mobile, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.